Welcome to this stunning chalet-style A-frame home in Normandy Park. With 5 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and over 3,000 square feet, this home is a rare blend of a cozy cabin charm and modern updates. And just wait until you see this backyard oasis. Now, stepping inside, you're met with a downstairs or a couple steps up and into the kitchen, which the kitchen has been beautifully updated, featuring hardwood floors, modern appliances, and my favorite feature being the beautiful granite countertops. You then also have got plenty of space to cook and entertain your guests. Now, the kitchen also seamlessly blends in with the dining area, so whether you're hosting friends or having a quiet morning coffee, it all just flows great. And then from there, you get the transition into the heart of the home, the living area. Now, this is what an A-frame is all about. The soaring ceilings, the exposed beams, and that signature open loft space above. Now, stepping outside onto the back deck, it's a peaceful retreat feel whether you're entertaining, grilling, or just soaking up some fresh air. This private, fully gated yard gives you plenty of space to enjoy. Now, heading back inside the main level to check out the bedrooms and then the remodeled bathrooms, which the remodeled bathroom includes heated floors, a Jets tub, and sleek spa-like design. The 3 bedrooms upstairs, 2 of them are slightly smaller and offer a built-in desk, which is great for workspace. And then the primary suite here features its own in-suite bath and a perfect blend of comfort and modernist style. But now, before we head downstairs, we must check out the A-frame loft space, which is what makes the home truly special. So whether you're into a home office, reading nook, or just a place to admire this architecture, it's one of those rare features that most homes don't have. Now, heading back downstairs, let's head into the lower level, which is just full of possibilities with large rooms and tons of open space. You've got options. Home gym, rec room, separate guest suite, whatever you want. You could probably make it down here. Plus, there's also the additional bedroom down here to complete that setup. A-frames originally designed in the 1950s and 60s as stylish but efficient vacation homes, A-frames became an architectural icon. Their dramatic shape isn't just for looks, it actually helps with snow shedding and natural insulation, making them the perfect home for a mountain retreat, but also a stunning, unique design choice right here in Normandy Park. Heading into the backyard, just look at this lush gardened oasis. The soothing pond and fountain add that perfect touch of tranquility and make this space truly feel like the private retreat that it is. And I mean, look at that view. That is an absolute beautiful A-frame right there. Homes like this don't hit the market super often, especially in this area of Normandy Park, where another feature of it, get Lot A beach rights. And that means private beach access, tennis and pickleball courts, a boat ramp, just for $75 a year. A-frame charm, modern updates, and a backyard oasis. What more could you ask for? Now, if this home looks beautiful to you and you want to check it out, let me know and I'm happy to give you a private tour. But if not, see you next Tuesday on RE Radar. Peace.